Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPhone is brand new or you simply haven't downloaded apps before, here's how to get started. Let's go through the process step by step so you can install apps without any issues. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A weak or unstable connection can slow down or interrupt downloads, so check that your internet is working properly. If you're using cellular data, ensure that downloads are allowed in your settings to avoid any restrictions. Now, open the App Store and use the search bar to find the app you want to download. Once you've found it, tap the download button. This will either look like a cloud icon if you've downloaded the app before, or a get button for free apps. If the app costs money, you'll see the price instead. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. You absolutely need an Apple ID to download anything from the App Store. So if you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do that first. If you don't have an Apple ID, you'll need to create one. As for Face ID or Touch ID, this is optional, but can make downloads faster. If you'd rather not type in your Apple ID password every time, go to Settings, find Face ID and Passcode, and make sure iTunes and App Store is enabled. This will allow you to confirm downloads with just a quick face scan or fingerprint, instead of manually entering your password each time. Once the app starts downloading, you'll see a new icon appear on your home screen or in the app library with a loading indicator. Wait for it to install, and once it's done, tap the icon to open the app. If the app doesn't download for some reason, try restarting your iPhone or check for software updates in Settings, General Software Update. That's it. Now, you know how to start downloading apps on your iPhone. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.